Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, today is the last day of the year, and I don't really have any, fancy speeches at all. But I just want to say, great job for all of you guys who stayed consistent with the strategy. We ended up ending this year, which I don't. We may actually take a win on Matic tonight, so we may actually hit 101 for 101. But we'll probably end up ending this year at 100 for 100 wins, and we honestly have never lost a crypto trade on this channel ever. So in the second half of this video, I will teach you guys how to get into our channel, the indicators that you guys literally have. This is the last day you guys have to get the indicators before I up the prices of them, and they're going to be going up in 2022. So this literally is the last day. You guys have a few hours left here to snag these. I'll share that with you guys in the second half. There's links in the description for that. But I want to get into the analysis first for Solana, but I'll teach you guys in the second half of the video how to get into our trade setup so you can trade with us going all the way into 2022. Okay, very crucial levels of support we need to be watching today, and we need to watch these two indicators here. So let's give ourselves a full update on what we're looking at. The trend dashboard, price to swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion. We're using these indicators, and this is how we are not losing trades. And by the end of this video, you'll see this, as well as I'm going to be going over the metrics and the blockchain metrics for long and short trades and showing you guys what's happening, okay? So let's dive right in here. What we're looking at is this very, very strong, it's called an ascending support line. This is an ascending support line right here. If we break this line, and the level I'm really looking for is 167 to 165. If 165 is broken, that will officially put us below not only structure low, but it will put us below the ascending support line. Okay. If you guys know how to read these indicators, they are very simple. I was literally just coaching someone yesterday, and he's like, what's your mode of operation? Every single morning when you wake up, what do you do? And I'm like, here's exactly what I do, guys. I get the indicators on my charts, and I look for one thing: trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow. Where are these metric values in relationship to the actual indicator? So here's why I do this. If we see the trend exhaustion push in the top red section and well money flow is high, I am absolutely looking to sell that day. You guys know this from the calls that I made on the Telegram channel. If you've been following me for months, you're like, every single time this indicator gets in the top red section, you guys probably are going to get a ding from me on Telegram saying, hey, we're selling a trade because we're looking for the what? We're looking for that consistent drop back down. When we push up into these top sections here, there are times when the market tries to overextend itself a little bit, but we are seeing moves back down. Now, here is why we use two indicators instead of one. It is for confirmation purposes. Do you guys see something that's different from when the trend exhaustion pushed in the top section here, or when it pushed in the top section here or here, from when it pushed over here? The difference is of how high we are sitting with the flow of money. The whale money flow is in green, the price action's in pink, okay, or red, whatever you want to call it. You guys can change the colors if you want under the settings, okay? When the whale money flow is high and trend exhaustion is high together, this is when we start getting nice crashes back down in the market very fast. And this was correlated to a very high trend exhaustion as well as a high money flow. That is why we got a bigger drop. And this is why we didn't get as big of a drop. So someone asked me the other day in email, they're like, Travis, what can I actually do to be able to tell when the biggest drops are coming, when the biggest pumps are coming, okay? It is when the whale money flow and the trend exhaustion is high. That is when we're expecting drops. Do you guys see the highest point that we've hit on the entire chart was right here? And the whale money flow is high. That's what I was referring to. And the trend exhaustion was in the top red zone. That's where we pushed up. That was in this section, so we got an overextension, and the biggest crash we've seen in the last 30 days has been predicted with these indicators in here. Previous time before that, we saw this big crash over here in the market. Well, money flow was high, trend exhaustion was high. Where was that? Right around this area, and then a drop. This drop is well in the market because the well money flow is high and the trend exhaustion started to push up into the top red sections. That was on this drop here, and that was on this drop here that I already pointed out to you guys. That is why people are getting these indicators, and we have guys doing literally tens of thousands of dollars with these because they're able to call the tops and the bottoms. So let's come into the full analysis here of what we're looking at. Not only are we to call bottoms, but obviously a lot of people are using these to get into trades. I suggest you guys actually use our buy limits, which I'll show you how to do that because it uses really good risk management in the second half of the video. But I want to just spend this time here today because I know you guys are looking at this and you're like, okay, well, the sell's ending tonight. Is there any validity to get these? Yes, guys. We have not lost a trade, and all the exits are called with these two indicators. How do you win trades? You have to exit them in the profit. How do you exit in the profit? We are using these two indicators. Okay. Knowing what we know in the past now of the accuracy, where are we currently at? Let's bring this to forefront. We pushed the well money flow down to the bottom section here. meaning people were selling, they're selling, they're selling. But guys, even wells and institutions don't sell forever or even, hold their positions forever. They are looking to sell their trades because they gotta make money, right? They're taking their money home and they're making, profits for the end of year. They're turning their books black. So when the trend exhaustion is low, the well money flow is low, that's when we're expecting to see moves back up. And that's what we're seeing right here. We ended up holding the support line. Now, as we start creeping up higher here, guys, I want to be honest with you, this may actually start seeing another drop back down. Why? Because last time we got here, we saw a drop. This is why I came out with the Ethereum video saying, hey, we're very close to the top up here. Well money flow is high. Look, it's already happening right now. We may start to see a crash on New Year's Eve, okay? So it's not like I'm like, okay, I want everything to be bullish because I want everyone to be happy to watch my channel. It's like, why don't we just be honest with where we're at and talk about, what's happening with these charts here. So coming back to Solana here, we could be seeing a push up here for New Year's Eve and even into New Year's, but I would be looking for a possible drop back down. But if we stay above the support, that's where we can get bullish. Okay, let's go over the metrics and I'm gonna get you guys into these next trades and I'll show you guys the indicator cell that ends in, depending on when you watch this, you may only have a couple hours left. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all the metrics will update, which is in literally 2 minutes. So we might see this actually happen on this video. Emotional index. What's happening? We were pushed up into the excited area. And what happens when retail traders are excited, guys? What do you know from this channel? Institutions and whales and smart money are going to short you guys out. That's exactly what happened. I'll show you proof of that. This is starting to move down into the anxious section here, all right? What I'm telling you guys is to watch this level because we need to stay above this level of 165. If we do, we will probably actually stay bullish on Solana. Kevin O'Leary came out and did this piece online. It's been on different social media. So Facebook and Instagram is where I saw it. And he's like, my top picks for 2022, he listed a few, but in those was Matic and Solana, okay? Maybe he knows something that we don't, but I think Solana and Matic are some incredible trades. I'm in both of these with you guys, okay? Move down here. Long for short trades on the blockchain. What we're seeing here is short trades have been decreasing a little bit and long trades have been increasing. So decrease in shorts, increase in long is showing us that demand is buying the lower price, which is why we haven't headed down further because they're sustaining the level right here. But watch 165. I'm going to keep saying it, guys. 165, you have to watch that. Looking at long versus short trade risk, the favor lies on long trades. If favor was in short trades, the metric value, which is the blue, would be up here. Why? Because when it gets up there, we see drops back down. When it got up here, we saw a drop back down. When it got here, we saw a drop back down. We got up here, we saw the drop back down, so on and so forth. When you're getting to the bottom section where it's a great long trade, we're seeing pumps back up in the price. This is showing you guys where favor lies. Guys, these metrics here are why we're not losing trades. If this makes sense, you guys are like, okay, well, you can now tell what's happening with the emotional index. Excuse me, guys. You're like, okay, you're winning all these trades. We have the emotional index metric, which I believe is the best online because we've tested this and it's incredible. When you guys are getting greedy in here, if you come straight down to the next metric we're going to look at, this is where we see well institutions smart money. When you guys are getting greedy, they're coming out and placing short trades. It's so clear here, and the market's dropping. When you guys are anxious and fearful, they're buying. The long trades are increasing. Guys, look, long trades, short trades. Long trade metrics buying, and the price is shooting back up. Price goes down, everyone's freaking out, and they're placing long trades in this area, and they made money. Guys, this is a non-repainting indicator. That means that you guys can come in here and you can be like, okay, this has been true in the past. So what we saw over here recently, like literally I just recorded a video about this a few days ago, people were getting excited. Look, up here, excited. What happened with wells and institutions? They came out and they shorted you guys. That's why the price didn't go up any further. On this channel, all of our trades, we trade with wells and institutions. That's why we're not losing trades, guys. And I think this is the highest win rate we've ever seen on YouTube for a channel. And people are starting to, they'll be like, okay, I kind of understand now. And then people are like, some people are in doubt. I don't blame them. It's actually better to be in doubt than just blindly trust people. But then they start trading and we have people like this. I'm sorry. Let me just show this to you guys real quick. We have people like this are coming out here and this guy's down here and he's winning 25 for 25 trades in a row. Sorry. Let's go back here. He won 25 for 25 trades in a row here. Look at this. He grew his account 50% and in 6 weeks, and he's won 25 for 25 wins. This is why people are doing so well. And this guy does $20,000 with just our two indicators. Okay, I'm not trying to take us off the analysis. I wanted to show you that to you guys, to show you that the confidence people are having here. All right, let's move down. Support resistance prices. I would love, just as you watching this video, would love to get back to $200. But it is the next place where we're looking for resistance. Now, a move back down is 147. I'm going to call 150. So two areas, 150 and $200. $200 puts us at the break-even entry. If we break this resistance here, guys, we are going to be targeting the next resistance, which is 250. Okay, this is going to be an incredible move. We're just going to stay patient in the market here. But we need to be honest with this. I will cover both sides of this. Yes, we could get bullish in here if we break that, but we need to watch this level. If this breaks 165, we're most likely going to head down to the next structure here, which percentage-wise is going to be about an 11 to 12% drop in the market. That is where the price is going to be magnetized to if we break this, because that's structure low. And if the trend exhaustion gets up here, and you guys need to watch that over the weekend, that's when that drop could possibly start happening, because we called it in the past. The last drop we just called. You guys following here? Is this making sense of how we're not losing trades here? Dollar cost average entries. If you have, let's say, $10,000 you want to throw in the market, I would suggest splitting it into 10 portions. So that'd be $1,000 each. Every time you get a green line, you guys can come out here and put money in the market. Very good metric for holding. Diamond hand holders, okay? Let's go over this, and then I'll get you guys into our trades. So exit points, coming out saying, hey, you know what? Market's high here, looking for the drop back down. Once this comes back up here, we are going to be looking for the market to present us with an exit point to look to exit. That is most likely, for Solana, going to be up in this area, because that's when the trend exhaustion is going to get higher. I'm not going to call an exit, guys, until we're in the profit. It just takes patience sometimes to be able to trade this. I'm trading with my own money, guys. We're only down 1%, and I know most accounts are down 25 to 30% right now based off the entire crypto market crash. Some accounts are down a whole lot more than that because they're using leverage. But literally, we went down a total of 7.8%. 7.8 is the maximum we went down in this whole market, and we were up about $7,000 the other day. This market can turn around very quickly, and we can start seeing money move back into here. Let me get back to Solana. Start moving back in here, and we could be in the profit very soon. But it takes patience to be profitable in this market. Patience makes us profit. That's kind of the channel slogan. All right, here's what you guys do to come over and start trading with us. The pricing is only $49 a month, and we are going to be upping the price of this, so make sure you guys get in here now. Literally, this is the last day you guys can get our indicators on sale, and they're going up. This next year, probably in the first quarter of this next year, we're going to be upping the membership price. So anybody who buys in now, you guys will get grandfathered in. So if this goes to $100 or $200, does not matter, $60, $50, whatever. It won't be 50 because we're already at 50. But if we go up anything from here, you guys will get grandfathered in. You have my word on that, okay? We've checked with the platform owners, Ghost.io, for like literally 3 times. I've made sure we have it in writing. They're like, no, your members will not have their account updated. It's actually impossible for your guys' accounts to update because you're hard-coded in on a membership through Stripe. And Stripe cannot, it's illegal against their terms to automatically up your guys' membership based off the platform we're using. So you literally will be grandfathered in if you want to keep your membership, like some of our members will, for years to come. When this goes up to say $100 or $200, you will never have to pay that higher price. That's why a lot of people stick around with us. Okay, live trades here. That membership's going to give you access to all the live trades, which is where every single one of our wins have been taken. It's from this page right here. Obviously, today we're talking about Solana, so we're going to go into Solana. You guys need to click into this link. Click Solana Live Trading. See how this changes from a pointer to a cursor? Click that. I'm going to show you guys how to trade our strategy with Bitcoin. This is the same process and principle on all of this, okay? And so we're about to see Bitcoin update here because we're getting very close into the time when it updates. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when it's going to update here, okay, guys? Watch this. For Bitcoin, here's what we need to be watching. All of the buy limits here are what you guys want to be setting up in your exchange, okay? Let's say, for example, you guys have $1,000. You want to split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so just $250 each. This is so simple. $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 here, all right? So once your first buy limit is hit, you guys want to set your sell limit, and this has updated here, so you guys want to make sure you guys are, I'm sorry, this actually has already updated. My apologies. I'm pushing us ahead into next year. This says 12/31. It's already updated for today because it's actually 8:06 right now. So this has actually been updated, and these are the official buy limits for today, just so you guys know, because the actual sell limit moved down because I moved it down this morning. I don't know if we're going to be able to skyrocket and hit our last sell limit, so that's why I moved it down, and you guys will be able to get some good profit out of this. So once your let's move into that. Once your buy limits are set the sell limit up in your exchange so you guys can come out here and you guys can take the profit automatically. Now, most likely what I'm going to do for you guys is call the exit in Telegram. You guys need to sign up on your phone or your computer first in the Telegram and then click this link. That will give you a hot link and it will automatically join you guys into the Telegram channel where we're calling exits with the indicators in here. Price for swell money flow. Look at what they call over here. Trend exhaustion. Here's the deal on the indicators, guys, and we're going to wrap this video up. So make sure you guys watch that. And if over the weekend you guys have some extra time, watch the tutorial video. I literally show you guys how to set up buy limits, how to set up sell limits, how to set up stop losses, how to enter market orders on Coinbase Pro, which is the account that I clearly use over here for all my trading, okay? I show that to you guys in this video. Super good video for you guys to watch. Now, the indicators. This literally is the last day you guys have to get our indicators on the sell. These indicators will never be lower than this price again. Okay, you guys have literally tonight, and it's going up in price. Tonight, because I'm going to be staying up till 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when this is going to update. Okay, guys? Just so you know. Click this link right here today and enter coupon code CHRISTMAS at checkout. All right? You can capitalize it, you can lowercase it, it does not matter. Make sure you guys are coming out and you're clicking this and you're getting this today, because tonight this is going to be going up another $50. I made it clear for everybody. It's going up tonight, December 31st. Today is December 31st. Now, you guys want to get at minimum the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the indicators I'm using on my everyday YouTube videos, and I'm using these to call exits. And you guys have seen the profitability of this with how we've been able to call drops and pumps. And we're seeing it happen right now because we're coming up from the bottom of the red zone, right? These are the three that you guys want. It is actually cheaper right now to get the bundle pack than it is to get the three indicators over here. So that is why a lot of people are picking this up today, because they're like, okay, if I'm going to get the three I need anyways, I might as well get this. On top of these three, you guys get 6 more indicators that I don't have listed here because I only have 5 listed here. So you guys actually get a total of 9 indicators for the price of like 3. And these other indicators, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use in 2022. I wanted to get you guys familiar with these 3 because these are the 3 main ones you guys want. I'm going to be honest. The other ones are great. These are the best. It's these 3 that I use on my chart every single day. But I've already shown you guys the pressure gauge that I jokingly called a jackpot indicator. And once you guys watch the video, literally click here and watch the video of it, you'll see why some people can make thousands of dollars with this one indicator. It's a little more risky, but if you guys want to dedicate maybe like 10% of your account to maybe trading the pressure gauge, you guys can, because crazy moves happen when you get that. Anyways, you get that indicator with all the ones that we need on the chart with the bundle pack. That's why I tell you guys all to come and get this. It's not because it's more expensive. It literally is the best deal, and you guys get the best indicator. So at checkout, make sure you guys enter coupon code Christmas. Okay, last thing I'm going to say here real quick, and we'll end this video. If any of you guys have purchased our individual indicators, because we get this email, you guys are like, hey man, I already purchased the trend exhaustion from a past sale or from the past, but I want to get the bundle pack now. Can you give me the difference so I can get all your indicators on sale tonight? Yes, we will do that. You guys know Jake and Josh. They're the support agents. They are amazing. We all know, even me, I'm going to be helping them over emails today. We all know that if you guys email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and you have purchased individual indicators in the past, tell us which ones you've purchased, and we will just send you a PayPal invoice, and you guys can pay the difference here, and you guys will get the entire bundle pack, and we are never going to force you guys to pay the bundle pack price to get the rest of the indicators. I know some businesses that do because they're trying to make bigger sales. Forget that. If you guys have purchased other indicators in the past, tell us what you purchased. We'll give you the difference. We literally had a guy yesterday, and the difference was $18. He paid $18, and he got all like 7 more indicators based off just sending us a simple email saying, hey, I've already purchased these indicators. Give me the difference. I want the bundle pack discount before it goes up in price tonight. Do that today. We'll honor everybody who emails us on that, okay? So wrapping this up here, guys, watch Solana over this weekend. If we break 165, we are probably going to be heading down here, and it's going to get a little gloomy for some of you guys. But this is why we have buy limits set up. And anybody who's getting into the buy limits today for Solana, you guys are going to get very good entries, and you're going to have really good risk management. Watch that Bitcoin video. So ending this video, guys, God bless you so much going into 2022. We've had so much fun in 2021, and our goal is to try to hit 110 for 110 wins in the month of January and 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. And just a heads up, guys, Matic is most likely going to be our next win. So if you guys are in that trade, watch out, and we're probably going to go 101 for 101 wins probably by this weekend if we see any type of bull run in the market. AVAX is the next one we're probably going to take a win on, and so we're just going to see, these wins keep accumulating, and you guys will see that in the Telegram channel over here. All right, guys, make sure you're getting the indicators before they go up in price tonight. Get those now. Make sure you get into the membership before that goes up as well for the $49 a month. And then making sure you guys are into the Telegram channel by coming over here and clicking literally Telegram at the bottom here. That will give you guys access into the channel. Again, guys, last chance, 84% off all the indicators. They end tonight. Okay? Have a good one, guys. let's go in tonight, have fun, stay safe tonight. If you guys are partying for New Year's Eve, I'm having people over to my house, so we're going to watch the ball drop. And I literally will be here, and at midnight, I'm going to be taking away the bundle. Literally, here's what I'm going to do at midnight so you guys can know. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to remove the coupon code from the bundle pack so it's not going to be discounted anymore. It's the fastest way for me to do this, and you guys will see that happen tonight, 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So get these indicators today before they go up. God bless you guys. We'll keep the videos going Monday morning because we take the weekend off to be with our family and go to church, but we'll be back here on Monday. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Get everything you need in the description, the indicators in the membership, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Bye.